If you ever feel like you are not performing at your best, it could be due to a deficiency in peptides. At Prime Body, we offer peptide therapy as a way of supplementing your body to increase your vitality, energy, and overall performance in life. Peptides are naturally occurring, biological molecules that are produced by all living organisms. Humans have peptides in every single cell and tissue. Peptides are useful because they function as biological messengers, carrying information between cells, performing a wide array of essential functions like regulating blood glucose, stimulating appetite, and promoting tissue growth. Peptides are vital to keeping us functional and healthy, and it makes them a great starting point for creating effective treatments for a wide array of needs. There are more than 60 FDA-approved peptides currently being utilized to enhance a number of bodily functions. At Prime Body, we focus on a few key peptides most useful for our patients' needs. These peptide therapies have demonstrated a number of benefits, including stronger sex drive, reduced body fat, heightened muscle mass and definition, improved strength, stamina, and energy, improved nail growth, better bone health and density, lessened joint and muscle pain, boosted growth hormones, hastened healing from wounds or surgeries, deeper and more restful sleep, diminished cellulite, fuller, more volumized hair growth, sharpened mental acuity, better skin elasticity, and a stronger immune system. Schedule your appointment to discover which peptide therapy is right for you.